So is everyone ready to dive down deep?
Yes.
Here we go. Okay, I want you to look carefully at these 4 colored icons. We have green, blue, gold, and red, corresponding to the letters A for green, B for blue, C for gold, and D for red. There's some sayings on those cards, which are not necessarily important, but I'm going to read them to you just in case. But it's the color in the picture I want you to kind of pay attention to. And I want you to make a choice as to the icon that best represents you. The one icon that best represents you. So we have green, which says analytical, logical, visionary. We have blue, which says sincere, compassionate, idealistic. Gold, which says loyal, responsible, prepared. And the red, which says bold, spontaneous, competitive. Carefully look at those 4 icons, and then make a selection of A, B, C, or D. Let's see. Holy cow. This is good. All right. So, got some vacillator's there. This. I'm not sure what my personality is. This actually is what I would predict. In the normal population spread, gold would be predominant here in the United States. Gold is about 46% of us. But in this group of people-loving mediators, attorneys, and therapists, and so forth, the green and the blue should be extremely strong. That's what I predicted, and that's what we've got. If that fits you, you are in the right career. If you're in that area, because that says that you will have very much success in the area of dealing with people in relationships. Okay? So we have that. I'm also going to pass out some sheets here. I think we got some people in the back passing things out. This is a forced word sort, which ties in. I'm going to, like I said, I assume you're familiar with Myers-Briggs. So this is something that I've worked on for the past 30 years or so. This word sort is about 92 to 95% accurate to Myers-Briggs. The Myers-Briggs personality inventory is about 180 questions. This is a lot less, but still gets us there for the general basis of temperament. So what you would do, and you can do this either now, I'll give you a couple minutes, or you can take it with you. But what you would do is you now, instead of letters A, B, and C, you're going to do numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4. So in each row, you're going to pick the one most like you to least like you. 1 is the most like you, 4 would be the least like you. That's the row of colors, and then you do that for the row of words. Each of those different rows, you will pick one. 1, most like you, 2, next most like you, 3, next most like you, and 4, the least like you. But we have all of the qualities that these icons and these word sorts are representing here. This is a little test to find out how strong in each category you are. So if you haven't looked into your soul or yourself before, this is going to give you some insight. So now we're doing numbers. In each row there should be a number 1, 2, 3, or 4 in some particular order. Most like you is a number 1. Least like you is a number 4. But you have all 4 of those qualities. Every one, I'm assuming that all of you are human, every one of you has all 4 of these characteristics. So take a moment and go through them. Each row, and then when you're done, you would add up the columns, and at the very, very bottom of the page, the lowest number indicates the temperament most like you, your strength, your predisposition at birth.